Well, you know, so many of us delay getting seen by a doctor simply because we don't know where to go, and we don't want to go through the hassle of calling to make an appointment, especially with a doctor we don't know. But accessing health care is getting easier and easier. I want you to meet Dr. Brittany Stam. She's an OB/GYN, and she's going to tell us how finding her office and booking an appointment is now getting so much easier to do. And welcome to Sonoran Living.
Thanks for having me.
Well, thank you for being here. Okay, so let's talk about the fact that it is such a hassle these days, and a lot of people put off getting the basic preventative care that they need because it is a hassle. How are you helping make it easier?
Right.
Well, not you in particular, but what you're doing.
Right. So, you know, actually this week a company called ZocDoc came out with a survey in which they found that 85% of Phoenix residents are basically foregoing preventative care. Wow. And 2/3 of the time, even when patients are really sick, they're, you know, tending to wait it out rather than get in to see a doctor immediately. And so this has, you know, been a big problem. So there's, you know, this company that put out the survey is ZocDoc. It's a healthcare tech company that makes it easier. They give patients simpler tools to be able to get in to see a doctor within 24 hours. It's the typical wait time for a ZocDoc patient, which tends to be 18 times faster than the national average wait time. So it's been really helpful for patients.
Wow. Okay. So basically, tell me how it works. You go online, or there's an app. Tell me the process that you have to go through in order to make that appointment.
Right. So say you're looking for, you know, an OB/GYN, for example, and you just moved to the Phoenix area. You would put in the specialty that you're looking for. You'd put in the reason that you're looking for that visit, you know, whether it be a pregnancy, a well woman exam. You can even put in your insurance, so you can leave that information blank, and it pulls up, you know, in your area the doctors that are a part of ZocDoc that you can book appointments with, and you can see their schedules right away, all the, you know, the free spots. You could also, you know, looking at that specific doctor, you can view what real patients are saying about that doctor, you know, their bedside manner, things like that are really important.
Oh, really?
And you can go ahead and book online. Of course.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yeah, so patients, you know, tend to really, like that, and they are able to, you know, book online with any time of day. They don't have to wait till 8 in the morning.
Right, right. And especially if you know, it's just waiting on hold.
Right.
In itself is a pain. So are all doctors on ZocDoc? Do you have to, if you're a physician, do you have to put yourself on, or does go out and make it available to all the physicians out there?
So you do have to sign up as a doctor to be a part of ZocDoc.
Okay.
There's over 50 specialties that are available for patients to choose from, but you do have to sign up. It's free for patients to be able to book.
Okay, excellent. And I'm just wondering, is there any priority in making your own appointment online? Just wondering.
Well, you definitely get, you know, a better shot at getting the times that you want. So instead of, you know, waiting till 8 in the morning when the office opens, you're there in the middle of the night and you're trying to get in for the next visit. It's definitely easier to do that than to wait till the morning.
Right, right. And if you really do need to get in and that doctor is busy, you can find another one who has an opening.
Exactly.
Yeah, excellent. And what's really interesting is that they actually have a satellite office here in the Valley.
Right.
How many people are working there?
So there's over, you know, over 100 employees. This was just, you know, the branch opened over in the last, you know, few years, but ZocDoc's been around for almost 8 years in September. So it's been nice. My husband's actually one of the earliest employees of them, so that's how I came to get to know the company, and they've grown well and been very helpful in terms of giving patients simpler tools to make those visits. And so what they've seen is that when asked in the survey, you know, 8 out of 10 Phoenix residents said that they would book online appointments if they were given the opportunity to.
Yes.
And so why not make, you know, healthcare easier by using technology? We're using it already. Patients are, you know, going to the internet for everything nowadays. We might as well use it for the best.
Making your appointment. Right. Absolutely. Well, Dr. Stam, thank you for explaining how it all works. We appreciate that. You can also find Dr. Stam on ZocDoc as well. And here's how you go about that. It's Zoc, Z-O-C-D-O-C, ZocDoc.com, or there's a free app as well at ZocDoc app. That's a tough one to say. All right, but we got it. All right.